Hey friends, thanks for tuning back in. We're doing a recap today. Spent a little bit of the day at the coffee shop here, just trying to get some good Wi-Fi for trading here. But anyways, today was an absolute rodeo. I was all over the place, and luckily I ended the day green here, up $770. So that's good. But it was quite I hung out too long. At the same time, I took a red day, what would have been a red day, turning it into a green day. So that is good. And the main name that I played today was LGVN. This one was pretty nuts. Let's take a look at the performance here. Take a look at this. I was down a good amount of the day. Let's see, I had 35 green trades, 17 red. Some of them were pretty significant too. Look at this. I had a $1,200 loser right there, a $2,700 loser, which was massive. So that was really rough. Yeah, and let's see what else. I did trade BFRI. What was it? A few names. BFRI. But to give you kind of the moral of the story here, with LGVN, I traded it obviously all throughout this area, and it was looking good in the sense that, this was a former runner. We've seen a lot of momentum out of this stock before, so I was trading it in here, doing okay, but then it really slowed down in this part of the day, and really got chopped around, so nothing good on that part. But where I really shined is that, I was going to walk away being down $1,200, and the fact that I stuck around was a good thing for me, because right in here, this is watching this stock just absolutely crumble all the way to this point here and go down to 22.65 was nuts, and thinking this thing is done for the day. It's over. And look, we get an incredible bounce and then a complete rip. So I started hopping in here and trying to get in for some decent size, just understanding of this thing is now ripping to the upside. And if we test that area here, the previous high, let's call it 32.53, this whole area here, it's going to blow past that, and sure enough it did. So went flying, absolutely flying. We went all the way to 42.50. Actually, sorry, we went all the way to 45. So look at this. If you look at the yearly chart here, sorry, not that one. We're actually going to look at let's look at the 7-day here. Come on, charts. All right, here we go. So look at that. We've got that prior resistance of 45, so understanding that if this thing does start ripping, that's going to be the next area to look for. So this name has been crazy all week long. And I've been red on it, I've been green on it. It's just been an absolute rodeo with this one, but long story short, I'm in the day green, so I'm happy with that. I want to show you my calendar here, show you the performance with that. I've really struggled the last, it was last Thursday, last Friday. I had two big red days that were disastrous. And yesterday was kind of rough too. I had a $1,300 loser. Monday was $1,100, and today ending up $770. So not that big a green day, but at least I'm positive. So I'm happy with that. We're going into Thanksgiving tomorrow, so something to be thankful for that we have the markets. And sometimes you got to be grateful when you are green and walk away. But it was a longer day for me, but I'm glad I hung in there, because today easily could have been another big red day, and I hung in there and traded it and was able to get green. So that's it. I want to keep it short for you guys. I hope you guys all have a awesome Thanksgiving, and hope you did awesome on trading the markets today, and we'll see you. I might trade a little bit on Friday. It is a half day. I don't know if there's going to be much momentum or movement since most traders probably take off, but you never know. We could see some potential, but I might trade a little bit. So look out for a recap on Friday. But if you don't see me then, I'll see you next week. And that's all for now. So take care, enjoy your weekend, and yeah, adios.